We put in $650 into this game. We had $1 left. We did the wager saver, and we hit 3, 4, 5 on the river. My last absolute chance. I had $1. The little wager saver was this small and hit it. Please. We don't have $1 left to our name. We put in $653 total. We haven't got one bonus yet. And on the wager saver with $1, small chance, I was out the door. We hit boom, boom, boom. Can this pay anything? 10 cent, $5 denom. That's not a good start. Nothing. Aces and teapots. I don't know what aces and teapots pay. I really want the Dragon Train. Please. Keep paying. Slowing down. Wish it was going faster. Hit it. Dead spin. 2 left. Ah, doesn't connect. That's nothing. 2 games left. Please hit me. Please hit me with the Dragon Ball. No. Yes, one more. Please.